Yeah, that's right. You read the title of this video, right? Coyotes sound like shit. That's why everybody hates them. Yep. You want it to sound like that. You want to hear the cam. You want it to chop. Even if it only makes 200 horsepower, doesn't matter. You want it to sound like that. But I got a little secret for you. That's not a push rod. No, it's not. Yeah. Yeah. That's not a push rod. Look. Here's the point. See? I wasn't kidding. It's a Gen 2 Coyote. That sounds like that. Now look, you guys in the comments, you need to drop it below and tell me you thought that was a cammed push rod, because I know you did. But anyway, let's get into the point of doing this. But I'm not disagreeing in any way. Especially the S550s with the Corsa exhaust, I think they sound like absolute garbage. I'm not kidding, I do. I do definitely 100% think they sound much better on a Fox body when you're using the Fox body style exhaust where you've got the muffler before the axle and tailpipe over the axle. Definitely sounds 100% better. But at the same time, I'm not gonna let something like the way it sounds deter me from enjoying better horsepower and the drivability that a Coyote offers. Not a chance. So the reason this car sounds like this is because it doesn't have a wide open muffler on it. These are Dynomax Super Turbo mufflers. See what I'm saying? You don't have the big wide open bullet style mufflers that most of these, you know, guys run, because you want as much flow as possible, because Coyotes like to breathe. And guess what? It sounds phenomenal. Let's fire it up again, just for reference. Yeah. So, if you're gonna sit there and tell me you weren't fooled, I think you're lying. But, you know, some guys can tell a little better. But look, hold on. Yeah. And before you say it, because I know this one's coming, it's not a ghost cam tune. This engine, we haven't tuned it yet. We're still waiting on the tune. Once it's tuned, we can get it out and drive it. But see, it's not tuned. Let's get in here and rev it up just a little bit. Like I said, it's not tuned. That's why it's kind of doing that. But hold on. Yeah. Not too shabby, right? Not obnoxious. So, I guess the main point is, look guys, your exhaust is going to sound like how you build it. And when you add something like a Dynomax Super Turbo, or you go with a Flowmaster 50 series or Super 44 or whatever you put on it, it's going to change that sound, and you're not going to get that extremely loud, like super high pitched noise that you're used to. Now, will you give up some flow? Yeah, you will. But when you put those type of mufflers on a pushrod engine, you're losing some flow too. So just some food for thought. Play around with exhaust, do different stuff, and guess what? You're gonna get different sound. And I don't know about you, but I love this. And we will be out driving it very shortly, and we'll get to hear it under load. We do got to get it tuned, so that's coming. But anyway, got updates on my car. Let's go. All right, guys, in case you did not see, today dropped our seventh giveaway. Now listen, this one is a little bit different. So this one is called the triple. There are 3 winners in this one. So let me go through them real quick. The first winner wins a Dakota digital cluster for your car. So if you got a 4i, you get the 4i cluster. Aero, you get the Aero cluster. 94 to 04, you get the 94 to 04 cluster. Not only do you get the cluster, but you get a New Rad Solutions easy install kit to go with it. Could not be freaking simpler. So that's winner number 1. Winner number 2 gets a complete fiddle part fabrication hookup. So you get the hood hinges, the billet hood hinges with the struts. You get the billet strikers. You get the custom made sill plates, the custom made speaker grills that go on the complete bottom of your door panel, and several other little things. Pretty much whatever he decides he wants to throw in, he's gonna throw in. That's a lot of stuff right there, I'm just saying. And the final one, you get a Fox Locks keyless entry system. Yeah, this one's a little crazy. So, just like all the other giveaways, the foxcast.com/shop, every $5 spent in the store gets you whatever you want. We got all kinds of new merch drops ready to rock. We had to take a little break, add some new merch, all of that good stuff. But we've got the Fast Cars and Freedom. We got the entire Freedom line. We got all the new flags. We got the Oakley backpacks, t-shirts, hoodies. It's hoodie season. You definitely need a hoodie. We got the Premium Champion hoodies, keychains, key tags, stickers, the whole 9 yards. So this one's only 10 days. You got to jump on this really quick. 3 winners, freaking epic. The foxcast.com/shop. Grab anything in the store. Every $5 spent, get you 1 entry. Good luck. All right, guys, so update on the car. We're kind of at a point right now where we're doing a lot of stuff that is not very video worthy. But got control pack run into the car. PCM, hold on, let me get you some light. PCM mounted. That is actually a factory F-150 PCM mount, which actually works really nice. Let's see, what else? We got fuse box mounted. We're gonna rewire the Dakota Digital just a little bit and mount that up like it was. It was kind of sitting straight up so you could see all the indicator lights and check connections, you know, probe them if you needed to. So that's going on. Like I said in the video where we installed the K designs, the battery is going to be right in here. So I got to run new battery cables in there. And then the harness that was over there, we cut that down quite a bit. That's what you just saw on the floor. So, yeah, not exciting, but definitely necessary. But other than running the control pack and doing a little refresh on the Dakota Digital harness, everything else is good to go because the car was already swapped. All right, guys, so a couple quick other things on the car. Just got my SVE fans, or excuse me, SVE radiator and contour fan. This is the kit from LMR. Got it all locked and loaded. So my exhaust, you can see part of it there. I've got the full Hooker Blackheart X-pipe, flow tubes, mufflers. I am probably going to change those mufflers because they're deafeningly loud. I'm just not sure exactly what point. I might roll with them just to get everything going and then swap later. Let's see, but right here I've got the pipes, 3-inch tails, and these things are massive and they're beautiful. Full stainless all the way to the muffler. But yeah, we've got the pipes, tailpipe, so obviously full exhaust right here, ready to go once we get to that point. There's my wheels right there. I did have to order new lug nuts because the hubs on the front of the Ride Tech kit are from an S550. So you've got the larger style studs. So I got all new lug nuts coming for that. And then drive shaft. Okay, so what else? Calipers will be, or excuse me, yeah, rotors will be here this week. Already have my calipers. I probably want to put a coat of paint on them because they were kind of paint matched to the old color. But I mean, other than that, you know, all the brake lines and everything will run, which is definitely a plus. Get that going. That's the reason I don't have the welds on the front. Back here, I'm not sure exactly what we're gonna do. I've talked to Steve. We're probably gonna upgrade the suspension because we've got something else coming. So like I say, guys, you need to stay tuned because I've got another big surprise on the way for you. And it's going to finish this build the right way. I know a lot of you guys in the comments have already guessed, but when it arrives, and I check every day when I get home, when it arrives, it's going to be a very good day. And it's going to be insane. It's going to be absolutely insane. I'm so freaking excited, guys. So that is what's going on right now. Lots of progress on everything that's going on here at the shop. Looking forward to it. Also looking forward to seeing all of you guys at the LMR Cruise-In. November 16th, I believe it is. Yeah, Saturday, November 16th. Looking forward to seeing you guys. We got some banger cars in the booth. I have tons of merch there. Looking forward to be back in Texas for 2024. It's going to be freaking awesome. So in the meantime, guys, we're going to get back to work, get this car done, because it won't take long. And Frostbite is about to be done. We're gonna get that away. Guys, we got so much going on. Holidays are upon us. Freaking crazy. So if you guys did enjoy this, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one.